In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 9 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting two you wish to use in this view and launching both in the background. Then open background apps, decide which one you wish to use on the top half and click on the icon of it. Select split top, tap on the second one and enjoy using both at once. If you want to switch places of your apps, use this little icon with two arrows. To exit this mode, swipe one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and hit home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!